Taking my walk. Oh, so real quick, I was going to tell you, I found ways to even get myself to move more by entering a competition with some of my very good friends. So we're all tracking our steps every day. So guess what? I think it was Saturday evening, I looked at my steps and I was like, whoo, I'm only in 6,000. And everybody else had like 10,000. Some people had 14. I'm like, you know what? Let me go take a prayer walk. So I decided to take a prayer walk in the evening, talk to God. And guess what? I got 10,060. So what is that carrot you to dangle in front of your face to get you moving and doing the things you're supposed to do? Is it a healthy competition? Is it having an accountability partner? Is it reminders on your phone? We'll get to it. Set them up. They help you live long, live better, and do the things that make you live better, spirit, soul, and body. Have a good one.